Hey folks, it's Rich 220. It's Thursday. Tomorrow, if it's as good as this, when I get home in the morning, we're going to take this thing apart and try and piece as much of it back together as we can. And hopefully finish it this weekend. If the weather holds out. I have a lot of work to do. Yeah. Well, there's no water in the headliner. That's good. Nope, that's just fabric. No water. So we got no leaky roof. Not up top anyway. Yeah, you see that piece right there? I got to put that back on. There's all the trim that goes around the windshield. It's got to go back up. Then I got to tuck all that stuff back in. And I still got to put that back door panel on, which I may do before I go inside tonight. These plexiglass panes, I think I'm going to put them in because nobody is able to locate me any glass. And that is the only pane that's actually any good anymore over there. Even this one's shattered. See? So, and we're changing the wheels. I'm going to go with the rims with the small tires. And I'm going to make this thing look like a grocery getter. And then, lo and behold, surprise, surprise, it's got an 8 under the hood. It may be a small 8, but it's the original. And, man, it's so muddy over here. Look at this. Watch this. Watch my foot. Look at that. That's all mud. Yuck. I don't want to work on that today. So I'll give it a day and hopefully it'll dry up. And then we're going to get to this. Hopefully get it done and over with. And that'll be the end of it. No more problems for a while. Until something else old breaks down on it. I even got to put the original or new latch on there because I don't understand how that thing's latching when there's nothing for it to latch on to. But yeah, we're going to get this thing going. I've had about enough of waiting. I'm glad Mother Nature decided to call it quits on the snow business. The sun came back out the other day and it just melted away. So, you know, I don't know what else to do right now. I actually wanted to do this without putting it on camera, but I don't think anybody is going to believe me if I do that. So, you know, we'll put her on camera and we'll get her done. Then I got to shine this bad boy up again. Put my Chevy emblem across the windshield inside. Or is it outside? I don't know. We'll figure it out. I like my AAA national award. Old as heck. But, yep. And the last thing I'm going to be doing, as you can probably see it in there, is the seats. Top is still there in the front. But that's not the way I want to do them. I want to do them differently. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stitch them out. I can actually cut out the patterns, get them prepped and ready. But this time it's not going to have any gold trim going around them. I don't know where the hell I got that, but I don't think I can use it again either. I think it's shot. Looks like it is. Yeah, it is. So that, and you know this car. It's the one where I've taken Bondo off the quarters and off the fender. Let's see, I don't know if I can see the whole car or not. At least the tires over here aren't really flat. Ain't been sitting too long, I guess. And even got those things in there. One for each light. Got the original lenses. I believe they're up in the front or they're inside. One or the other. Yeah, I've been working since 5 o'clock this morning, so don't know what time it is now, but I would say it's after 4:30. Sun's over here. And all these people driving around with these wannabe hot rods. And I got 2 steel packs on the back of this thing. Dual exhaust with the ram heads. That ought to sound mean enough. I don't care if it's a 4-door. Oh, looky. The first sign of spring. Ain't that something? Crocus. Actually, the first day of spring, I think, is Saturday. But then I got a lot to clean up out here, too. Got to set it all back up again, take the cover off, put the pump back over there, hook it back up. I got a lot to do, but I wanted to take the cover off of that car because I don't believe it's supposed to snow or rain or anything tonight, so it should be fine. All right, folks, like and subscribe. We'll see you Friday morning. All right, bye now.